Most people think becoming a millionaire is about making more money. It's not. In fact, that's one of the biggest myths in personal finance, because becoming wealthy isn't a single event, it's a ladder. And every level requires a different strategy. The problem is that most people are trying to use level 5 strategies while they're still stuck on level 1. That's why they never make progress. Today, I'm going to show you the wealth ladder, the exact path normal people follow to go from their first $10,000 all the way to $1 million and beyond. And if you understand where you are on this ladder, you'll know exactly what to focus on next. Let's start at level 1. Level 1 is survival. This is where most people begin. Your goal isn't investing, it's not passive income. It's not buying rental properties. Your goal is stability. You need an emergency fund. You need to eliminate financial chaos. You need to stop living paycheck to paycheck, because you can't build wealth on a broken foundation. At this stage, every dollar matters. Every expense matters. Every financial decision matters. The objective is simple: create breathing room. Once you have that, you can move to level 2. Level 2 is your first $10,000. This is where things start to change, not because $10,000 is life-changing money, but because it proves something important. It proves that you're capable of saving and accumulating capital. Most people never reach this stage because they spend every dollar they earn. The first $10,000 teaches discipline, it teaches delayed gratification, it teaches ownership, and most importantly, it creates momentum. Now we move to level 3. This is where wealth building actually begins. The first $100,000. Many investors have said the first $100,000 is the hardest, and they're right. Because at this stage, your money starts working with you. Compound growth becomes visible. Investments become meaningful. Progress accelerates. The journey to $100,000 often takes years, but the journey from $100,000 to $200,000 is usually much faster. This is the level where most future millionaires separate themselves, because they stop thinking like savers and start thinking like investors. Here's where many people make a huge mistake. They reach $50,000 or $100,000 and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. Bigger house, nicer car, more spending. But every dollar spent is a dollar that can no longer compound. And compounding is the engine that drives the rest of the ladder. Now let's move to level 4, the $500,000 stage. At this level, your investments are doing serious work. Market gains can exceed what you contribute. Your money is generating meaningful growth. This is when people start realizing that wealth isn't built through effort alone. It's built through ownership, real systemic ownership. You begin to understand that every wealthy person owns things that produce income. That's the real game. And finally, level 5, the millionaire stage, $1 million. For many people, this feels like the finish line, but it's actually the beginning, because reaching 1 million isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about creating options. Options to work less, options to retire earlier, options to spend more time with family, options to build the life you actually want. And here's the secret most people miss. Millionaires don't become wealthy because they make one perfect decision. They become wealthy because they consistently climb the ladder, one level at a time, one habit at a time, one investment at a time, 1 year at a time. The wealth ladder isn't complicated. Level 1, stability. Level 2, first $10,000. Level 3, first $100,000. Level 4, $500,000. Level 5, $1 million. The key is knowing which level you're on, because every level has a different objective. And when you focus on the right objective, progress becomes much faster. Most people spend years chasing shortcuts. But wealth isn't built through shortcuts. It's built through systems. It's built through consistency. And it's built by climbing the ladder one step at a time. So here's the question. What level are you on today? And more importantly, what's the one thing you need to do to reach the next level? Because the people who become millionaires aren't necessarily smarter. They simply understand the ladder, and they keep climbing. If you found this helpful, subscribe.